Alright, to make your marriage work, yeah, it just comes down to having knowledge on how relationships, because marriage is a relationship, you learn how it actually works. Learn, you know, once you learn how it works, you will know what to do, and you will know not what to do. Do you see what I mean? Because if you want it to work, you will find a way. And that way right now is learning how relationships actually work. The real truth. That's it. The real truth. Because once you're not taught the truth, then of course you're going to get into situations where it's going to feel like the marriage ain't working. But once you know how it actually works, you'll get into a situation where it's actually working. Do you see what I'm saying? So if you click the link in the description box below to become a member of the Alkebulantrust, you will get access to online courses such as Roles and Relationships. And that's where you're going to learn all of that information right there. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, go ahead, leave it in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.